Welcome to Uvita, Costa Rica, where this stunning 3-bedroom home delivers true resort-style living.
Just minutes from Ballena National Park and world-famous beaches, the home is immersed in lush nature, upscale amenities, curated comforts, and a rich, tropical ambience that Costa Rica is famous for.
The central open space of the home holds a fully equipped kitchen, a living area with soft seating and a TV, a dining table, and a small workstation. A glazed wall with patio doors looks onto the backyard and pool area, flooding the central nexus with natural light and delightful views.
A covered patio wraps around the sunny swimming pool and features a barbecue, a sink with shelving, bar seating, a dining table, multiple additional seating options, and a convenient outdoor shower.
3 ensuite bedrooms stretch along the pool in a resort-style layout, where the distance from bed to water is impressively minimal.
This 3-bed resort-styled home in a perfect Costa Rica location is proudly presented by RE/MAX We Sell Paradise. Our agent Magali is standing by to answer any questions or take you on a private tour of this property. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon in paradise.